f of x comma y minus 0. So what is your f of x comma y? X sine 1 upon y plus y cos 1 upon x, correct? Now what should I do? Can I use triangle inequality here? This will be less than mod of x sine 1 upon y plus mod of y cos 1 upon x, correct? What next? This is again less than mod x into sine 1 upon y, correct? Plus mod y into mod of cos 1 upon x. What next? Can somebody tell me what is the next step? What should I do now? Yes, Neha. What should I do next? Perfect, very nice. Because this is always less than equal to 1. This is also less than equal to 1. So this will be less than equal to mod x plus mod y. Correct? Can you relate this thing with your this? You are having this square root of x square plus y square, that is less than delta. I have already told you ये mod x है तो क्या करने का इसको? Can I write this x square and can I write this as y square? Okay, now you should answer. अभी क्या करूँ? Yes, can I relate with this now? So look at this term. Is this term less than equal to this term? That means at the place of this, can I write this x square plus y square? Because I am putting less than equal to, so that is quite okay. I am putting a positive number. I am putting square of a number which is positive, and that's it. At the place of this also, can I write this? Do you agree? Tell me fast. Yes? Root of x square, that is less than equal to root of x square plus y square. Also root of y square, that is also less than equal to root of x square plus y square. So, and you know these two people that they are less than delta. So can I say that this is less than 2 delta? So what should I choose my epsilon? Can you tell me? I need this term should be less than epsilon, correct? So if we choose delta is equal to, come on, tell me, if you choose delta is equal to, very nice, epsilon by 2. If you put at the place of delta, if you put epsilon by 2, so 2 get cancelled and it will be 2 delta will be less than epsilon. Yes, or you if you write equal to, then also it is okay. We just want this thing, that is mod of f of x, that should be less than epsilon, correct? So are we done now? This is what I wanted, no? I just wanted a delta. I was given with an epsilon. I just wanted a delta such that this should satisfy. So I am having delta which belongs to your, which is depending on your epsilon. So this limit exists. This limit is 0. So we have proved this. Is the proof clear to you? Yes? If you have any doubt, you should ask. Let me do one more question. F from R3 to R and say f of x y z, that is equal to 4x plus 2y plus z. Find this. Find limit x y z going to 0 0 0 of the function f of x y z, if exists. Correct? Solution. So what is your guess? or let me make it little bit interesting by putting 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yes. So what do you think, where will this converge? इसमें डिनोमिनेटर का कोई टर्म नहीं है, so it must converge f of 1 2 3, correct? So you should first start with f of 1 2 3. What is your f of 1 2 3? It is 4 plus 2 into 2 plus 3. क्या आएगा ये? 11 ना? Correct? So what you need to prove now? You need to prove this limit x, y, z which converges to 1 2 3 of function f of x, y, z, that should be equal to 11 to prove. Do you agree? Do you agree with the limit first? Do you agree with this? If you agree, then we have to start with epsilon delta. That's it. Hello. Since there was no denominator term or nothing, so that function, limit of that function will be directly putting the value, correct? F of 1 2 3. So this is my guess that limit will be 11. So now we will prove. To prove this limit is 11. So how will you do that? Same for given epsilon positive, to find delta satisfying. डेल्टा क्या सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए? नॉर्म ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड माइनस 1 2 3 that is less than delta, but which is same as, you should write later on, but if you want you can write that is, this is same as square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus z minus 3 the whole square, that is less than delta. Do you agree? This should imply mod of f of x y z minus 11 that should be less than epsilon. ठीक है क्या? Shall we start with the consideration part? Yes. Is there any doubt? हाँ ना, अरे कुछ तो बोलो. Are you guys there or not? You have kept the phone and go away. हाँ, 12 से 1500 रुपया उनका फीस व महीना का सही 1 साल हो गया मान ले. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So shall we start? Let us see. Consider. What should I consider? Mod of f of x y z minus 11. That is equal to mod of, what is your function? Function is 4x plus 2y plus z. So it is 4x plus 2y plus z minus 11. Okay. Now think about. I want to relate this thing with this guy. Correct? So, do you have any idea? I will give some time to think about it. Do you have any idea about this? Just take 1 minute and then I'll ask with everyone. By taking your name, then you just say. You can say, what do you think? How should I just want to relate this in terms of delta, and this is my delta. And hint is, use the previous one. How do we do the previous question? You can do that.
हाँ तो ऊपर फीस होए तो बीएससी आईटी को, हाँ बीएससी आईटी होए तो बीएससी आईटी फीस होए तो
Yes. Okay, I'll start asking. Let me start from the last with the alphabetical. Yukta, do you have any suggestions? How should we move?
15,000 शुरुआत में दे रहा है, 5-5 हजार कैसे, मतलब कुल 30,000 भरे रहे।
Yukta, can you hear me?
40,000 रहा तो ये सितंबर में अगस्त में फोन किए कि फीस भर देना है तो ऑनलाइन क्लास बंद कर दीजिए।
Any idea?
तो हम कहे मार्च से क्लास बंद बाटे, 40,000 कहाँ भरते, तो आनाकानी करे थे, हम कहे नहीं चलो हम पढ़ाओ।
I cannot hear you, Yukta.
40,000 चलिए हम भरे दे ऑनलाइन कर, 100 रुपये नहीं, 40,000 ट्यूशन पढ़ाइए।
Okay. Shumama, do you have any suggestions?
ऑनलाइन कहाँ पढ़ते ही रहे, लेक्चर लेते ही नहीं रहे, खत्म नेट गाँव में कहाँ ले पावर।
Shivangi?
हाँ तो यूट्यूब पे हम दो चार रोहिता से कहाँ रोहिता
Yeah, this is the question.
रहे तो ज़्यादा दे दे रहे हो तो पछताते हैं, ज़्यादा दे दे रहे हैं, लेकिन हम कहे वापस तो मिले ना, इससे अच्छा हम भरे मतलब का।
Okay, Yukta. Yeah.
यूट्यूब पे चैनल रहा, भेज दे रहा, हम कहे इस पढ़ वो ऑनलाइन लो ऑनलाइन, सब 40,000 कहाँ फालतू।
Do you see? I had given you a hint. The hint was use the previous one. What did you do? We just from here we came here, and once we came here, then everything was easy. Correct? So can you make this? Can you make this in that form? But here it was your limit was 0 0. 0 0, correct? So when your limit was 0 0, so it is mod x, it is mod y. But here I am having this limit, so I should want x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3. Do you is that click you something? I want x minus 1. I want here something x minus 1 plus something y minus 2 and plus something z minus 3. Perfect, very nice. So this is what I wanted. Nice. So what should I take from him? For the 4x, what should I take? Minus 4, correct? And what about for 2y? I should take minus 2. And for z? For z? Minus 3, no? You're remaining 3 now. Oh. Is that I think for 2y we need something else. Do you see? For 2y we need 4, not 2. Because if you take 2 common, I should be having no, I think if you take 2 common, I should be having 2. So it should be 4, correct? X minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3. Is that clear? Let us check 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now this is perfect. So can I use triangle inequality now? This is less than equal to, if I take 4 common, so this will be x minus 1 plus this is 2 times y minus 2. Correct? I should take 2 common plus mod of z minus 3. Is that clear to you everyone? Do you see now we are in a state now, now everything will flow here. We don't have to do anything. What is the next step? Can you tell me? Mod x minus y को क्या लिखने का? 4 into square root of x minus 1 the whole square, correct? Same thing, can I write this one also? Do you see the trick? Perfect. Is that clear? What is the next step? Can you tell me? Yes, Payal, can you tell me what is the next step? Perfect. This is less than equal to 4 into square root of. Very nice. And same thing for plus 2 into same thing plus same thing, correct? So in the next step, this will be less than equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1, correct? It will be 7 times square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus z minus 3 the whole square. But this thing is less than 7 delta. So what should I choose my epsilon? Perfect. This is less than epsilon if we choose delta is equal to epsilon by 7. Nice. So have we proved this? We have proved this is less than epsilon and you are having delta as epsilon by 7. So this limit exists and limit equal to 11. Is the proof clear to you, everyone? I should not say proof. Is the solution clear to you? Correct? Nice. Let us quickly do one more problem. Now you guys are going to do that. I'll just give you a hint. R2 to R, take f of x, y. You just focus on this thing. Huh? You are having this thing, so you want to relate this. Same in the previous one. Here, you are having this, so you want to relate this. Because you want to use your delta. When xy is not equal to 0 0 and it is 0 otherwise. Okay, the question is prove that limit xy tend to 0 0 f of xy equal to 0, correct? But if the question was not prove that also, then also you should think देखो इसका डिग्री क्या है, it is 2 plus 1 it is 3 and what about degree of this square root of 2 का मतलब डिग्री 1, so ऊपर is higher degree, so it may be 0, ऐसा हम लोग गेस कर सकते हैं. But this is not true. We'll give one question जिसमें ऐसा true नहीं होता. Degree will not matter in that. It was just a guess. Yeah. So the question is prove this. Can you do that? Just start solving. How will you do? First let us write for given epsilon there exists delta satisfying, what is that? Satisfying norm of x y minus 0 0, that is less than delta. That should imply mod of f of x y minus 0, that should be less than epsilon, correct? Oh, I should not write there exist. I should write to find, correct? I'm not writing a definition, I'm writing a proof. Should write to find. To find delta, that is equal to this, correct? Now shall we start the consideration part? Or let us just simplify this thing first. Norm of x minus y, or just wait a second. Cut that, yeah. I'll write this one first. That is, what do you mean by norm? That means x square plus y square, that is less than delta. This is what you are having. What should this imply? This implies that f of x comma y minus 0 must be less than epsilon. This is what you want to prove. And here you want to write to find. Correct? So shall we go ahead now? Consideration part. Consider. What you should consider? F of xy minus 0 0, correct? That is equal to, what is your f of xy? It is given as x square y upon something square root of x square plus y square and minus 0 0. So that is not going to make minus 0 no? Since it is real valued function, sorry, scalar valued function, should be minus 0. So I'll just ignore that. Okay, can you tell me the next step? Anybody? What is the next step after this?
हाँ तो काहे मम्मी, हाँ तब मम्मी तार झूठे टिकट निकाल दी तुरंत है।
What is the next step after this?
बतावा ये गांव में रहती बढ़िया तार
Yes.
मित्र रहे, आचल ऋतु, हाँ रिद्धि सिद्धि सब अपन ग्रुप बनाए के चलत रहो।
Mod of this is less than equal to mod x
अप्रैल में बियाह करा तब फिर कौन
mod x
क्या
square
बोलते
mod y
जहाँ
upon
गए
mod of square root of x square plus 1. Can I do that? Do you remember the property of mod?
यार इसे हुआ ना पेपर
Correct. And यहाँ पे mod का फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता because it is mod x square is already positive, so you can ignore this mod. Yeah. Now my question is that can you relate with this thing? Sorry. Can you relate this whole thing with this? I want every term to be this form. Can you do that?
कुल बाप गणित समझ में आवा था।
Okay, I'll ask with someone now. Atharv, do you have any idea here? I have done a question in the first question.
रिकॉर्ड में थी आवा था नहीं।
See, one term is already in that form, correct? So I should not touch this thing.
नहीं आज
Yes. What about this one? Or I'll write this. Now it will be quite clear to you. This is x square. This is mod y, and in the denominator it is x square plus y square. Since all the term are positive, so now can you see? What should I do?
हमें लगा था बिना पेपर दे पास होंगे।
I already told you when you are having mod x, mod y, what should you do?
पढ़ाई नहीं बाबा तो
Yes.
हाँ यहाँ आठवीं तक पढ़ावा हुआ आठवीं में बहुत जानकार हो गई है ना। हाँ
Ritika,
तीन है दशानंद कहाँ
do
गए?
you have any answer for this?
दशानंद का पता नहीं चलता। तीन है सोनू से नहीं बतिया तू कहा? तीन है सोनू जो चार ड्रेस पहन के फोटो
Okay,
खिंचाया है,
Kanchan.
जैसे बेटी। हाँ हैं? हम कहे कहाँ फोटो
Anybody is there? Payal,
दिनवा भर दावा
Shibangi.
क्या करबो है बतिया तो ये सखी सहेली से।
Yukta is having some mic issue. Who else? Neha, Atharv, anybody? Okay, so you were saying multiplying divide by square root. You want to break this square root, correct? Okay, you don't have to do. You observe one thing. Mod y. In the previous cases, in the first question, what did we do with this? Mod y को क्या किया था हम लोग ने?
छोटे हैं
I just wrote this mod y that is less than equal to square root of mod y. Square root of y square. And then later on I wrote this as, can I directly write this? So it is x square I am writing like this. Mod y I am writing like this. Can I do that?
हाँ
That's done, na? Do you see?
14 साल में बियाह हो जाता है।
This is same as x square. Now can I say this is less than equal to x square plus y square?
अब इनकर पहले
That is obvious,
आज
correct?
से 30 साल
This should be
पहले
equal to.
जब होत रहा 25 साल पहले
Do you agree? I'm talking about this part is equal to. So, and you have some relation. What is the relation you are having? You are having root of x square plus y square is less than delta. So, what can you say about x square plus y square?
हमें मिलत नहीं बात है। हाँ,
Taking squaring both the side, correct?
हाँ, सही में
So that means this should be less than delta, root delta. Sorry, delta square. Yeah, delta square. So what should I choose my epsilon?
हाँ तब का गमन कितना लड़कियां हैं 28 साल की
Delta square. What should I choose my epsilon?
32 साल
Sorry, what should I choose my delta? Because epsilon is already given to us.
ये बतावा मैं
this term is less than epsilon. If we choose delta as, what should I choose my delta?
ये नहीं 28 में दिया नहीं बा 29 में नहीं बा 30 में नहीं बा तो 32 में कैसे होई
अरे बोलो, at the place of delta what should I choose so that this became epsilon?
नहीं होगा फिर हो जाए 29 पानी में डूब
Perfect, very nice. Square root of epsilon. Since epsilon is a real positive number, so I can take the square root and there is not at all issue. So I have proved mod of f of x y minus 0, that is less than epsilon. So f of x so we have proved, hence proved I should write, hence proved. Is the proof clear to you? Okay, I'll give some question as homework to you. You guys try that. Prove by using epsilon delta, huh? Limit. Limit x comma y tending to -1 to 2. The function is 4 mod x plus 3 mod y. This is equal to 10. I am saying that 10, but you should check, just put the values and see. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 6, that is 10. Prove by epsilon delta. This is the first one. Take the second one as this. Limit x comma y as 1 1 xy minus y minus 2x plus 2 upon x minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Okay? I'll put this thing in your Google Classroom as an assignment. You try to solve these two and give me the solution of this. Is that okay? Okay? Okay, thank you so much everyone. Bye bye, take care.